E-money took center stage at Obi Cubana bar there. He surprised everybody, spreading over £50,000 or $50,000 at a stand. Watch out and see what he did. Wow. Money and water. E-money for you. Trevor is always a musical giant. As he flew in with his private jet, watching here, showing his class, his musical talent. Trevor and Ayodon are two great musicians that is always underrated. Watch what he did here. Wow, Obi Cubana shut down Abuja. People were present. Politicians, celebrities, imams, pastors, just call it. Everybody present. Look at PO. Wow. If you look at AY, everybody trying to represent themselves. Congratulations, Obi Cubana. Wow.